In this video, I will show you how to download IBPS Clerk mains admit card. First, you have to open the browser and enter IBPS Clerk mains admit card 2025. Click on this official website of IBPS, and here you will find the link to download the mains call letter which released on 24th November. Click on this and click on this. Here the call letter download starts from 24 and only available till 2nd December. We have to download. We have the option to download the call letter till 2nd December only. So make sure you can have downloaded the call letter. Mm, To download the call letter, we have to enter the registration number or roll number of your uh, IBPS clerk exam. Here, password, we have to enter the date of birth. Next, we have to enter the CAPTCHA. After entering the CAPTCHA, we have to click on the login button. Then the admit card will be open. In this way, we have to download the IBS Clerk Mains Examination Admit Card. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more videos like this, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.